Hello YouTube. It is Fullpicca. Here's what happens if you put a slice of lemon next to your bed. Everyone knows about the benefits of lemons because of the high level of vitamin C. Add this fruit to tea or use it in cooking or treating colds. But the wealth of vitamins is not the only incredible property of lemons. Fullpicca has discovered other advantages of sour fruit, which are revealed if you put a slice of lemon next to your bed. The material was prepared with the support of the site Maratva.true. On the site you will find many answers to the topic of health and a healthy lifestyle, as well as many useful recipes, which include an lemon. 1. You will finally have a rest. Citrus aroma calms the nervous system, reduces anxiety and helps relieve tension after a hard working day. If you do not have lemon essential oil, use a slice of lemon. The effect will be similar. 2. Your concentration and attention will improve. Lemon has another amazing property: inhaling its aroma every day, a person becomes more concentrated and his mental activity and memory improve. Even at work, employees work more efficiently and make fewer mistakes if they smell the lemon. This conclusion was made by Japanese scientists. Therefore, if you read these lines at work, brew yourself an urgent lemon tea. 3. Your mood will improve. Lemon essential oil is a proven remedy for depression. And if you have already tried all the methods and antidepressants, pay attention to this sunny fruit. 4. Air is cleared of germs. Lemon has not only a pleasant aroma, but also bactericidal properties. It perfectly cleans the air in the room from pathogens. 5. Lemon normalizes blood pressure. Many people suffer from hypertension, and a lemon can help in the normalization of blood pressure. It is the lemon flavor that helps to reduce the pressure. 6. Insects will not bother you. Ants, flies, mosquitoes and other insects are unlikely to stay in a house that smells of lemon. And you do not have to spend money on chemical repellents. For even greater effect, stick a few clove flowers into the lemon stick. Thank you for your time and attention listening to me. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. You can also click the bell sign to be informed about new videos. Have a great day.